Welcome to another lecture on HTML. In this lesson we will be setting up our development environment for HTML, which involves obtaining and installing a text editor and a web browser. A text editor is a software program that is used for editing text files, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. There are many text editors available, both free and paid. For this lesson we will be using Visual Studio Code as our text editor and Google Chrome as our web browser. Let's download our text editor and web browser. Please follow along with me. Let's open our web browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Click the first link which says code.visualstudio.com. Simply click the download button. I am using Windows, so I will be clicking on Windows Installer. If you are using Mac, you can click Mac. Let the file to download completely. Now click the file which is downloaded and complete the steps, or please follow along with me. Let's accept the agreement, then click Next. Choose folder where you want to install. Click Next. Check the box Create a desktop icon. Then press Install button. Let the installation to be completed. Click Finish button. Let me adjust the window so you can see the tool tabs. This is how a welcome page looks like once you first launch the VS Code. Now let's open the Visual Code and install extensions. Visual Studio Code has a large marketplace of extensions that you can use to enhance its functionality. Click the Install button next to the extension and then restart Visual Studio Code if prompted. Here are a few popular extensions that you may consider installing in Visual Studio Code for HTML development. HTML Snippets. This extension provides a collection of HTML snippets to help you write HTML code more quickly and efficiently. Emmet. This extension allows you to write HTML code using a shorthand syntax, which is then expanded into full HTML code. CSS Peek. This extension allows you to quickly inspect and navigate CSS code from HTML files. IntelliSense for CSS class names. This extension provides intelligent code completion for CSS class names in HTML files. Prettier. This extension automatically formats your code according to a predefined style, making it easier to read and maintain. Bracket Pair Colorizer 2. This extension provides different colors for different types of brackets, making it easier to see the structure of your code. Live Server. This extension allows you to easily launch a local development server to test your HTML code. These are just a few examples of the extensions available. You can install other extensions as needed, depending on your specific requirements. Now click the Activity button to install the extensions. In the search bar, type these extensions one by one and install all of them. I will show you one and then rest is the same. Click Install button so that it will start installing the extension. Once done, it will show you as installed. Now continue for all in similar way. I have already installed Google Chrome on my laptop. It's pretty much easy and simple. Let's download Google Chrome same way we download Visual Code. Search for Download Google Chrome. Go to Google website and install Google Chrome. Set Google Chrome as your default browser. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.